welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Jessica M. Harris, and we are back with a brand new video. Listen, if you're new here, this channel is all about keeping you encouraged on your journey of faith, love, entrepreneurship, and everything in between. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Hey y'all, what's going on? Today is February the 6th, and we have I think technically it's considered a winter storm. So I didn't do any wake up video because I had to get up quickly this morning and run an errand. Well, I'm still running errands, but I had to do an errand earlier. So it was just I just got up. But we're at the grocery store though. I'm at Target. But I'm at Target for groceries because I like their salads that they have. I'm hoping this location has the salad that I'm looking for. Because it's snowing. Y'all see this? It's like snowing. Oh yeah, this snow is coming down. Eesh. It's supposed to be snow. It's supposed to be ice out here. So y'all gonna come with me into Target today. That is the assignment right now. It's a Target move. I need to get my meal prep for this week at work. So that's basically what we're in for. Is meal prep. See? Target. Alright, so everybody fancy likes to go to Target. So yeah. I am gonna grab my stuff. I don't think I've been to this location. If I have, it's been a while. I know for people, when they do Target, they buy a lot of extra. But these are cute. This is $1. It says cleaning play set, a basket, and 4 play pieces. And it's only $1. Okay. Alright, so I already said that I wasn't going to get a bunch of nonsense. So instead of the nonsense, I am gonna be smart and just go straight to the very section that I need to go to. But apparently I'm gonna stop and look at sweaters along the way. I'm sorry, y'all. I saw this one. This is cute. It says, hey, today is a good day. I'm not gonna lie. That is adorable. But those aren't gonna fit my daughter. She's too tall. She's like the junior stuff. Yeah, she's too tall. So we are just gonna grab our stuff. Alright. And I'm glad I'm doing this now. So this way I don't get into any issues. I was gonna go to the local Target instead, but I already know those ones are the smaller ones. Those are more so like the yeah, this is a bigger Target because they have a whole wine section. But I know people should be excited today because they canceled school. I know I was with my kids yesterday and they were pumped. They were like, we don't have school, because I had gotten the phone call when we were at the library. and they were really excited about not having school today. I was like, well, there you go. You don't have school. Y'all get to chill. So, trying to think if I want to bring bananas to work. Yeah. 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 So normally what I do is that on Fridays I bring in like not a bunch of food, but I bring in food on Fridays, and normally that's because I'm basically getting prepped for the week essentially. Oh, let me give me some blueberries. These aren't gonna be for Friday though. These are about to just be for today. So I wanted to grab I like to be all right, so this is what I do, right? I go to the store, I get meal preps. I basically would buy like different types of food for the week, and then whatever I'm doing for that week is basically like my meal prep essentially. Today is a little bit different because normally I would be one place, but today I'm in a different place. So it's a little bit different, but it's actually gonna work out. It's gonna work out. I don't go back to work till tomorrow, which means that I can still get some meal prep stuff today, and then really just kind of like prepare. We're having a winter storm-ish type of thing right now, so my goal is I'm probably not gonna grab all the stuff that I would like for meal prep. So I'm gonna try to grab like a few things. So one of my favorite things that I've been grabbing is these salads, because one, it's like having two meals in one. So if I have one, I actually don't have to have like anything else for a while. And then the other reason why I've been getting them is because I've been doing the Daniel fast. So I've been trying to stay like on the healthier side of stuff. Sorry, y'all. I'm looking at this one. I like the avocado one. I tried the dressing for it. No, it wasn't the avocado ranch. I did the avocado toast last time, so I'm gonna get the toast. The avocado toast one was really good. Whatever dressing they use, I don't know what the flavor of the dressing was. Oh, it's avocado ranch dressing. Yo, it tasted so good. I was like, yo, that dressing is everything. So get some more of those. My goal is to get 3 because I already have one at the house, so that'll be for today. And then I have one for Friday, one for Saturday. I'm gonna get one more for Sunday. So that way, at least at work, I don't have to worry about anything else type of thing. And then, yeah. So that way, I already have it. The blueberries, I'm probably gonna eat today. I did buy an avocado. The avocado isn't ready yet. It's too green. It's not ripe. So this will hopefully be good by Saturday. And then I got the bananas. My bananas are also green. So hopefully those are good by like Saturday. And the bananas work out because what I do is that I leave them there until like Tuesday. So I'll just have like a banana a day type of thing. Either like when I first get to work, I'll have a banana, or I'll have one of those. I'm not gonna get no more salads because I actually don't think I need any more. I think even with that third salad, I might honestly be good. So I'm gonna pause on salads. Because I do have oatmeal at work. I do have cereal at work. With the fast, I'm probably not gonna do the cereal though, but the oatmeal I can. And it's not flavored oatmeal, it's literally just plain oatmeal. And what I do is that I heat it up with water, and then I use like frozen raspberries at my job with it. So that is good there. Yeah, I'm gonna do them 3 salads because this week, I don't know. Last time I had bought like 5 bags, and I ended up having like 2 bags left. So I'm like, you know what? You probably don't need as much as you think. But I do like the concept though, because it helps me to be able to like really stay prepared when it comes to like the meal preps. And y'all, I don't know about you, but having like the meals, oh, thank you, God, they're on sale. and advance has helped a lot. Um, I know there's rice. I'm gonna see because they have this on sale. The chorizo crumbles is plant based, so I'm gonna buy 2 of those. I think. No, I can buy 1 of those. Also, okay, I'm gonna just buy 1. I don't need to buy 2. I'm gonna just buy 1, and then that'll be. I'm gonna cook that and put that in a separate container, and then that'll be the meat that I'm gonna add with my salads, actually, so I can have like a filler. So I'm gonna do that. That may be. It says 4.5 servings. I haven't made that in a while, so I don't know if it's gonna really be 4.5. But I'm glad that I have it because at least it's done. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, they have sweet barbecue riblets that are plant-based. Can I? Probably. I could, but do I need to? Is a better question. Probably not, because I'm trying to think, like, what am I gonna eat today? I kind of want to figure the potatoes today. Well, I'm gonna see. Yeah, I was gonna get like nuggets, but I don't think I need the nuggets. I don't need the patties. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the chorizo. I'm gonna cook the chorizo today. Yeah, I'm gonna cook the chorizo today. I already have the salads from now. I have a salad at the house already there. I didn't eat breakfast yet. I really wanted to get potatoes though. I've been drinking water. Yesterday, I'm gonna be honest though. So yesterday, hanging out with the kids and stuff, we did not stick to this the way that we were supposed to. I ended up eating like pizza and stuff, and I'm like, I shook my head because I should have just grabbed the salad when I had got pizza for them, but I didn't. And the same thing, like I got them Wendy's afterwards, and I had got Wendy's for me. I didn't even eat the Wendy's. No, I did. I ate a fry, and the way I felt it in my belly was like, put it back. And I was like, okay. So I ended up just giving away my sandwich and fries and soda, and then I just ended up eating my salad. So I'm like, you know what? We're gonna not stress about this part. Yeah. So basically, my meal prep started before I did the Daniel fast. The Daniel fast started for the month of February, but prior to the Daniel fast, I had already started meal prepping. I think I started meal prepping like the second week of January because I said I wanted to reduce how much I spent when I was outside buying food and really focus in on like the food that I had available to eat instead. And that's what I was doing. So I was like, well, instead of me doing that, I can focus on what I do have. And by focusing on what I do have, that actually helped me to stay like more mindful about my food intake. Because like for those of you who work like at jobs like with your computers and stuff, yo, you already know, like you get caught up and you just like, I don't know, like you just, I feel like there's just like this urge of like, you know, you just take, you snack. So I went from like snacking on chips a lot, to like changing it to buying like almonds. But then I started seeing that I was eating like all the almonds at one time, and I was like, okay, Jess, we need to like reshift, right? Like we need to shift something. We need to change something. Like you can eat snacks and almonds, but you don't need to eat a whole bag, and it would be like the trail mix stuff. So I've been trying to like buy either smaller portions or been trying to like buy a bag and then like letting it like kind of spread. So like I think one bag lasted me like 2 days, and I think one day I got it to last me 3 days, and I was like, okay, that's a better start. I saw that when I added more fruit in my diet that I wasn't as hungry. So I was like, I was with watermelon and strawberries. Yep. So when I had watermelon and strawberries, I realized that I didn't have to snack the trail mix as much because I just was full. So I was like, okay, let me, you know, really kind of space out what I'm eating, the snacks that I'm eating, and then do it in that direction. So today I did bananas and blueberries. I can't actually go see if they have any watermelon. Um, Not the strawberries, though. I didn't really look at the strawberries, but I don't think I want any strawberries. I was gonna see if I wanted any more vegetables, but I think I'm gonna leave the vegetables alone. I'm gonna do what I have, and I'm gonna do it with rice, and then that way it'll be brown rice with that. So that's what I'm gonna do instead. Yeah, I'm gonna see if they have watermelon though. Yeah, like yeah, because they have the frozen fruit, but the only frozen one that I have right now is the raspberries, and I'm gonna leave it with that because that way the raspberries I can go ahead and just add it with the oatmeal, and then there's no issues there, no qualms. So that part's been actually pretty helpful. I'm gonna say I know I want to do potatoes, but I don't think I'm gonna do potatoes. I think I'm gonna hold on potatoes. Um, I don't know if they have like a single one. I want to do a baked potato. I'm gonna be real honest. That was kind of on my heart. You know, you're like, I want a baked potato, but then it's like you ain't gonna be able to have it with the sour cream and stuff. So then I like these ones. No, as much as I do, I'm a hold because I don't think I need to actually get all of that. To be honest, they do have watermelon. All right, so we got blueberries already. I didn't look at the strawberries. They don't look that. These ones actually look pretty good. So I'm gonna give me some strawberries. Because then I have blueberries and strawberries. I can mix those together. Alright, so I can do my blueberries and strawberries as my snacks this week. I'm not gonna get watermelon. That's fine. And then my bananas will be right at some point. No chips are needed. I know I have applesauce already. Don't need any granola. Alright, I think we're done. Yep, and I don't need any juices. No. Because I already have some. I'm not drinking juice, but I have the waters that I need. I'm kind of hungry right now though. So that's I'm like debating like can I just grab a water for like on the way out the door? Maybe I'll grab one on the way out. I know I was doing like the sparkling water, but I wanted to really be like, y'all, when I say I'm trying to really be healthy, I mean it. We're gonna do an into it. I'm gonna see if I can grab a wrap. I'm gonna have to get like a vegetable wrap or something. Because yeah, there isn't really anything else for me to get, to be for real. So I'm excited. Yeah. So that is y'all coming with me on this trip. Literally. Like, we just grabbing stuff. That's it. Easy. All right, so okay, we're done. Well, I am done. Because now we're like in the toy section and kids section and baby section. I'm like, yeah, we got to get out. I'm like, the kids got toys yesterday. Not even a lot of toys. They literally got like one thing each. And that was because we went to Walmart because I was grabbing them their gifts to give to their teachers. Trying to figure out like, okay. Oh my god, y'all, I'm tired. I ain't go to bed till like after 2. But all right, that is it for now. We're gonna just check out. So yeah, I wish I had like more to talk about, but I don't know. That is it for now. I'm excited though because at least I have the food that I need to eat, the snacks that I wanted to have, and I don't have to worry about like being hungry and stuff. Like, we have everything we need. I'm gonna head out to self-checkout though.